Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Toad from Super Mario. Get your marker and paper ready. We will start our step-by-step tutorial momentarily. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw two small ovals as its eyes. When drawing the pupils, remember to leave some blank space to make its eye look more lively. Add its mouth below the space between the eyes. Now let's draw its chubby cheeks. Start from the height along the eyes. Draw an L shape downwards below the eyes. Repeat the same on the other side. Next, draw a curved line connecting both sides. Let's draw its mushroom-shaped head. If drawing a long curve here feels challenging, you can break it into several segments. We start about the height of the upper lip. He looks a little bit like an Egyptian pharaoh. Okay, we move on to draw its little vest. The width of the vest is about the same as its face. We add a little curve as its left arm, about halfway up the vest. Let's simplify its hands into cute little fists. Repeat the same on the other side. Next, add a few details to its vest. Now we're going to draw its bottom and feet. Draw a curve from the position below the right eye to the left armpit. You can also break this line in two segments. Draw a letter C as its foot, followed by a reversed C shape for the sole of its shoe. Repeat the same for the other foot. Next, let's add some circles on its head. It's actually called the mushroom cap.
The mushroom cap, also known as the pellis, is the upper part of a mushroom. It is typically dome-shaped or umbrella-shaped and covers and protects the gills or spores underneath.
Alright, we've done outlining our toad. It's time to color it in. We also made another video drawing Super Mario. Feel free to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any new videos. Every autumn, our family's favorite weekend activity is mushroom hunting in the forest. So I've seen one or two mushrooms that look a bit like toad. The red mushroom caps have white dots on top. Very beautiful. But they're poisonous and can be picked.
The color alone isn't a definitive indicator of toxicity. Some edible mushrooms, like the Amanita caesarea, can have red or reddish-orange caps. It's crucial to accurately identify the species before consuming any wild mushroom, especially if it has a red cap.
Hooray! We've done drawing Toad. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!